Hello students, today I am going to teach you a new chapter, chapter 9, halves and quarters. Everyone open the textbook page number 94. First of all, we understand the meaning of halves and quarters. Halves, that is the plural form of half. Half means to divide into two equal parts. हाफ का मतलब होता है टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. Now quarters. Quarter means to divide into four equal parts. That means एक चीज़ को फोर इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. That means it's called a quarter. Each part is called quarter. Another way is quarter is a half of a half. Let's more understand by the story which is given in the textbook. Mintu cat and Motu cat were friends. One day stole a chapati from मालिनी's kitchen. मिंटू कैट एंड मोटू कैट दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे. एक दिन उन्होंने मालिनी की किचन से चपाती स्टोल की चुराई. आई विल टेक इट सेड मिंटू. नो आई विल टेक इट सेड मोटू. वाइल दे वर क्वारलिंग देयर केम टीटू मंकी. जब दोनों झगड़ रहे थे उस टाइम मंकी आता है. द नेम ऑफ द मंकी इज टीटू. हाय, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? व्हाई आर यू क्वारलिंग? He asked. We don't know how to divide this chapati between us, the cat said. मंकी पूछ रहा है तुम दोनों क्यों झगड़ रहे हो. वो सब बोल रहे हैं कि हम दोनों को पता नहीं इनको कैसे डिवाइड करें. सो मंकी सेड ओके डोंट वरी आई विल डिवाइड द चपाती इक्वली फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू. वो बोलता है मैं आप दोनों के लिए चपाती इक्वली डिवाइड कर दूंगा. Clever Titu divide the chapati like this. See in the picture how he divide the chapati. Is it equal? No, it is not an equal. These are not equal. The left part is bigger. Mintu and Motu cat said. वो बोल रहे कैट की इक्वल नहीं है. लेफ्ट वाला पार्ट है जो मंकी के हाथ में वो बड़ा है. ओह नो प्रॉब्लम आई विल मेक इट इक्वल. Titu said. He then cut a part of the left piece and ate it. उसने क्या किया, जो बड़ा पार्ट था उसमें से थोड़ा खा लिया और बोला अब मैं इक्वल कर देता हूँ. After eating the bigger one, again he is showing the chapati. Now is it equal? Oh, now the right part is bigger. अब right वाला पार्ट बड़ा है. The cat cried. I am sorry, said Titu. He cut a part from the bigger piece and ate it. Again उसने बड़े वाले पार्ट से खा लिया और बोला now it is equal. When there was only small piece remaining. अब थोड़ा सा पीस बचा है. He said this is my share for the work. उन्होंने बोला ये मेरी मेहनत का शेयर है. So Titu then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. आखिर में वो पूरी चपाती खा जाता है और ट्री पे चढ़ जाता है. That means उसने चपाती को इक्वल बनाया ही नहीं. Understood story? Okay, let's see the next one. Half, half. If the cat asks you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide it? If you don't cheat like Titu, the cats will have this part. अगर टीटू जैसा चीटिंग नहीं करता तो कैसे हाफ बनाते? सी इन द पिक्चर. दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट हाफ ऑफ द चपाती. अगर हम इसमें से कट करेंगे वी गेट द हाफ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. दैट इज अ हाफ ऑफ हाफ. If two more cats come for food, how will you divide one chapati equally for four cats? पहले दो कैट्स थी अब फोर कैट्स आती है. अगर उसमें से इक्वली डिवाइड करना है तो हाउ विल यू डू इट? आप क्या करोगे? हाफ का हाफ कर दोगे. सो ऑल कैट विल गेट द पार्ट्स. सो हाफ ऑफ हाफ इज कॉल्ड द क्वार्टर. ईच कैट विल गेट द क्वार्टर ऑफ द चपाती. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Here one activity is given, half of many pieces. Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend Reena. See in the picture chocolate is given. How many pieces of the chocolate here? Here 6 pieces of chocolate is given. If she gave half of the chocolate to Reena, so how many pieces she will give to Reena? 6 का half होता है 3. तो she gave 3 pieces chocolate to Reena. Okay. Now open the textbook page number 96. How many pieces of chocolates are there? Total कितने pieces है chocolate के? 6. How many pieces were left with रानी? रानी के पास कितने pieces बचे? टोटल 6 में से उन्होंने 3 रीना को दे दिए, तो कितने बचे रानी के पास? 3. So that you have to write in your textbook. Next, there is one activity is given. If you want to do, you can. Otherwise, it's not compulsory to do it. So student, this chapter is on fraction. What is the meaning of fraction? Fraction means equal parts of whole. Okay, कोई भी एक चीज़ होती है उसके पार्ट्स बनाते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं fractions. Let's more understand. See here, the first circle, green color circle, that is a full circle. We can say this is a whole circle. Now in the second picture, there is making two part of the circle. Okay, so one is the colored one, so that is called the half. See the third circle, there is the four part of the circle. Okay, so that is each part is called the quarter, and one quarter is called upon 1/4. See the colored part of the, that is called the 1/4. Understood? Now see the last circle, there is also 4 equal parts, and there is a 3 colored part, so that is called, each part is a quarter, but 3 colored part fraction is 3/4. Okay students, now let's see the new page exercise, that is page number on 97. So first we read the question. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into half? Draw a 5 different ways. See here, the 5 rectangle shapes is given. You have to make the half of each rectangle with the different ways. Okay, can you check if they are equal? वो equal भी होने चाहिए. Let's see the answer. See in the answer, first rectangle where you will cut with the vertical line, it may be equal. In the second rectangle, if you draw the horizontal line in the middle, so you make it the half of the rectangle. In the third picture, if you draw the diagonal cross line from left to right, it make it half of the rectangle. Now in the fourth rectangle, you draw the line, diagonal line from right to left, that also make it equal. Now in the fifth one, you will draw the line like this way, that is also make it equal. But you should draw the line in the middle or in the proper way, and it make rectangle equal. Understood students? Let's see the next exercise. Many ways to make quarters. So see the exercise, in how many different ways you can cut a rectangle into 4 equal parts. Draw 5 different ways. In this rectangle, you have to make a 4 part. That means you have to make the quarters. In before exercise, we make a half. In this exercise, you have to make the quarters. And can you check if they are equal? Here you have to check also they are equal parts or not. Let's see the answer. See in the first answer, if you draw the vertical 3 lines, so how can you draw the 3 lines vertically? First you draw the half, and then you make the half of half both the sides. You can get the 4 equal parts. Same way in the second rectangle, you draw the horizontal line in the middle. So you get the half, then again you make the half of this. That means you get the 4 equal lines, you get the quarters. Same way in the third one. Listen student, whenever you are making the quarter, first you make the half of the rectangle, and then you make again half of that half, you get the quarters. Now in the third one, first you make the straight line in the middle, and then you draw the diagonal cross line from left to right in half portion, and another line from the second half portion. So you get equal 4 parts of the rectangle. Now in the fourth one, how can you do it? In the fourth one, you draw the horizontal line in the middle first, so you get the half. Afterwards, you draw the diagonal, that means cross line from right to left side up. So you, and then right to left side down. So you get 4 equal parts, so you get it quarter. Okay. Now in the fifth one is also same. First you make the horizontal line middle of the rectangle. Then you again draw the diagonal from left to right side down, and next other part also left to right side down. So you get 4 equal parts of the rectangle. That means you get the quarter. So students, you have to check also all the quarters are equal or not. Okay. So you have to do this exercise along with this video in your textbook by own. Thank you students.